What's up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com, bringing you the Rockwall Tactile Knife Company's intro to the knife world. They're known for their pens, tactile turn. Now enter Tactile Knife Company. So this model right here, this particular pattern is an EKNIVES exclusive, EK exclusive. It's the hexagon pattern, titanium handles, 2.95 inch blade, Magna Cut, stonewash. These are snappy. Really slim in the pocket. They feel great. So that since the release of the original Rockwall, they've come out with a lot of different options. So I'm going to start over here with the deep space that we just got this week. So this piggybacks off their deep space pen that they just did a couple of weeks ago. So now they have the matching Rockwall to go with it, and it's super popular. These are selling really fast. By the time you see this video, they may be sold out, but hopefully not. So deep space Rockwall. This is the Stealth, so it's an all DLC version, red accents, really cool. Overlander, the Nautilus, as you can see there on the pivot. All of these are stonewash Magna Cut blades. And then you have the Safety Orange, which you are not going to miss this one. Not going to lose it. And then our EKNIVES exclusive hexagon pattern titanium Rockwall. So here you go, guys. The Rockwall from Tactile Knife Company. Get your hands on one. All of these are in the... They're in like the I want to say that all of these specialties are like $3.99. I can't remember what ours is. I think it's a little less than that. Maybe it might be close. So they're all in that mid to high 300 range. EKNIVES.com. Have a nice day.